in the plan. Write down the name of the view. So this is how you can get elevation and plan. Further to that, we need to draw right hand side view of this, which means that from the y direction, from the y arrow, we need to draw the projections. So how we can get it, we'll see further. For taking the projections, we need to draw one vertical line which is perpendicular to xy line. From the intersection, draw a line at 45 degrees. Draw a line at 45 degrees which will be used to put the projections of the same. Take all the projections. First of all, just outer projections, so that outer body can be achieved. So this would be some around our outer body. First of all, take right hand side's projection. Which you need to highlight, as you can clearly see from the view. And this would be our outer body structure. I am highlighting this for you. Now remaining is the hidden line part. This part we cannot see from this side, so these two lines would come in the hidden line. This portion would be the hidden line. All the dimensions are covered in the elevation and plan, so no need to give any dimensions in the right hand side view. So this is how you can get elevation, plan and right hand side view. Again, the next problem is about projections of plane, in which it has been given that a square plane of 40 mm side is resting on HP. The angle with HP is given as 45 degrees and angle with VP is given as 30 degrees. So we need to draw the projections for this plane. First of all, for the projections of plane, we need to draw a XY line that should be horizontal. XY line. Now we need to draw a square of 40 mm side each. Side. I have drawn a 40 mm square plane. I'm giving the dimensions right away. Nomenclature is very much important. A, B, C and D. Again, it is the stage 1, hence we need to take square planes projections on the XY line. As it is a square plane, we will get only two projections, that would be A dash and B dash, C dash and D dash. We will make it bolder. Now further, we are taking projections with HP into consideration. The angle with HP is given as 45 degrees. Hence I am drawing a reference line at 45 degrees. The line is at 45 degrees. Radius as A dash B dash to C dash D dash. Name as A dash B dash to C dash D dash. Take vertical projections from it. And take horizontal projections from the stage 1. Join these 4 lines in respect to intersecting points. A to A dash, B to B dash, C to C dash and D to D dash. We can give nomenclature to the same. This is stage 2. Now we are moving further to the last stage of this problem. In this we will take consideration of projections with the VP. The angle with VP is given as 30 degrees, which means that we need to draw a line, reference line at 30 degree below XY line. This line is at 30 degree below XY line. On that line I have taken a reference point of A. Again same procedure would be there. A to B is radius. Mark an arc on this line. Name is B. Draw perpendicular reference line take AD as radius, take BC as radius. We have got point D and point C. Now in the last stage we need to combine these vertical projections with the horizontal plane projections, for which we need to take vertical projections from the A, B and C, D. We have got vertical projections from this vertical plane. Now we need horizontal planes projections too. We will get only one projections as it is a square. Join respective portions A to A dash, B to B dash, C to C dash and D to D dash. Can give name as A double dash, B double dash, C double dash and D double dash. So this is how you can get final output as projections of plane. We will repeat this, how we can draw this. First of all, in this problem it has been given that we need to draw projections for the square plane which side is 40 mm. I have drawn first of all square of 40 mm each side, then took the projections on XY line, hence I have received A dash, B dash, C dash, D dash. Now I have taken consideration of projections with HP, means that angle with HP is given as 45 degrees, hence I need to draw replica of this A dash, B dash, C dash, D dash line to this 45 degrees. So what I have done is take radius as A dash to C dash and mark an arc over here like this. Taken the vertical projections from it, taken horizontal projections from the first stage, and so I have received the another side square in the stage 2. Now in the third stage we need to take consideration of projections of VP as well. The angle with VP is given as 30 degrees, hence I have taken the replica of this stage 2 at 30 degrees, taken the projections at vertical plane matching with horizontal plane, and that is how we can get our final product. Last problem we will see is projections of line. In which we have given some data. First of all, we need to draw an XY line. Then we will write given data A is equal to 30 mm below HP, mm behind VP. B is given as 50 mm below HP and 60 mm behind VP. Distance between projector is 60 mm.